Everyone, this video is about electronic signature. Electronic signature. People recognize and know that the classic signature is a handwritten representation of a person's name and surname or title. Its legal nature is to verify a person's identity, and it constitutes proof of consent, contractual status, and endorsement of the information contained in a document. An electronic signature does exactly the same. It is an electronic indication of a person's intent to accept the content of a document or a collection of data linked to the signature. Just like its handwritten counterpart, an electronic signature is a legally recognized means of stating the signer's intent to adhere to the terms of the document they have signed. Signature is just a handwritten depiction of someone's name which acts as a proof of identity and intent. Different time periods or different versions of signature, its medium has changed over the time, taking different forms and context. But the concept of using signature hasn't changed over the years. In olden days, people used handwritten signatures. Now they prefer electronic, digital, or digitized signatures. Whatever may be the form, but the purpose remains the same. Here, an electronic signature can be defined as an electronic sound, symbol, or process that is attached to or logically associated with a reward and executed or adopted by a person with the intent to sign the record. Here, this definition it considers sound, symbol, or even process as signature. For example, in online purchasing purchasing product itself is considered as signature because it gives the consent of the person. Types of electronic signature. There are three types of electronic signature: simple electronic signature, advanced electronic signature, and qualified electronic signature. Simple electronic signature. An electronic signature is defined as data in electronic form which is attached to or logically associated with other data in electronic form and which is used by the signatory to sign. Therefore, something as simple as signing a document and sending a scanned copy using an email account, username and password, or accepting the terms and conditions of a website can constitute a simple signature. There is a logical association between the sending account and the signature. However, it doesn't actually prove who the signer really is. That's why this electronic signature, often referred to as simple, offers the lowest level of security. Here, this simple electronic signature proves the acceptance or approval of the signer by using some type of certificate, code by SMS, or simply by clicking on an I accept button. Even though it is a type of signature, it cannot be compared with the handwritten signature. It is because of the lack of certainty regarding the content of the document and impossibility of linking the signature with the signatory. It doesn't provide much security to the user. Advanced electronic signature. An advanced electronic signature is an electronic signature which meets the following requirements: uniquely links to the signer, enables identification of the signer, is created in such a way as to allow the signer to retain control, is linked to the signed data in such a way that any subsequent change to this data is detectable. An advanced electronic signature has higher level of security than simple signatures. Advanced electronic signature is a set of data that is attached to an electronic message whose purpose is to identify the signatory as the author in a unique way, just like handwritten sign. This is more reliable than simple signature because here it is possible to find the identity of the signator, unlike simple signatures. It provides more security and even helps to verify that the message has not been modified. This advanced electronic signature is legal and safe for every variety of documents and transaction, which helps the company to become more technically advanced. Qualified electronic signatures. A qualified electronic signature is an advanced electronic signature which additionally is created by a qualified signature creation device and is based on a qualified certificate for electronic signatures. The electronic signature generated using electronic national identity documents and electronic signature certificates stored on encrypted cards are examples of this type of electronic signature. Qualified certificates for electronic signatures are provided by providers which have been granted qualified status by national competent authority as stated in the National Trust List of European Union member state. Many providers of qualified certificates will deliver the corresponding private key on a qualified signature creation device. The qualified electronic signs or signatures are created using special hardware and software known as Qualified Signature Creation Device QSCD. It ensures that the signatory is the only one with control of the key used to create electronic sign. The sign data is managed by a qualified trust service provider. The signature data is unique and protected from forgery. These qualified electronic signatures provide strongest legal evidence when it comes to disputes over digital transactions. It can protect both consumers and business against fraud. These are the three types of electronic signature. Other than that, there are two more categories. They are digital signature and digitized signature. Digital signature. A digital signature applies cryptographic mechanism to the content of a document so that the recipient can verify the sender of the message is real. The sender cannot deny having sent the message and the message has not been altered since it was sent. Digital signatures are therefore an essential element of advanced electronic signatures and qualified electronic signatures but aren't found in simple signatures. Digital signatures are also legally recognized but do not have legal status in that they are not meant to certify the signer's intentions but rather encrypt the data in a document to enhance security. Digital signatures is a mathematical technique used to validate the authenticity and integrity of the message, software or digital document. Digital signs embed personal key infrastructure into the signing process as a way to identify both the party requesting a sign and party providing one. Here, personal key infrastructure generates two keys, one public and one private, to uniquely identify a signer. Here, both the parties must have registered digital certificate from an issuing certificate authority to link the sign with the signer. This is the main difference between electronic sign and digital sign. Here under digital sign or digital signature, both the parties need registration from a certified authority, which is not needed under electronic signature. Digitized signatures. Digitized signatures are the conversion of a handwritten signature into digital image. In other words, it is a signature on the paper is then scanned, or it can also be generated using some type of hardware that allows the image of the signature to be saved on a computer as a JPG or PNG file for future use. A digitized signature is considered a simple electronic signature and is therefore legally recognized, but it does not offer any guarantees on signer's identity and can be very easily forged. These type of signatures might look official, but they don't offer security against tampering. Using a scanned image of sign is risky because the image of the signature can be easily copied and pasted onto other documents. Therefore, it provides lesser security. These are the different types of signature, electronic signature. Simple electronic signature, just the process of giving permission by using some certificates, code by SMS, or simply clicking I accept button. Advanced electronic signature, a set of data which can be uniquely linked to a signers and helps to identify the changes made to the data and thereby provides better security. Qualified electronic signature, it provides even better security because it is created by qualified signature creation device. Digital signature, it is a method which uses mathematical techniques. It needs both the parties registration, which gives higher amount of security. Digitized signature, using the scanned image of signature, which can be considered as risky. It is all about electronic signature. Thank you.